Bored of this old way? Presenting Universal Smart TV Remote Control, which helps you to control the TV via your smartphone. Just connect your TV and smartphone with the same Wi-Fi network. Click on the Smart TV control. Fill in the code shown on TV. And here you go. Acceptable in every country. Support all TV devices. Support both Wi-Fi and IRTV. You can easily increase or decrease volume. Change channel.
Against Jair, the way he's been eating his shots. Oh!
Use the touchpad for easy surfing. Voice search feature. Different themes are available. Screencasting.
Se acabou. Free drinks in the house.
Support Roku TV. You can manage your favorite TV in My Remote. Get it on Google Play.